Hi, Eastside. My name is Mr. Rivas, and I was asked to talk to you a little bit about using AI for constructive purposes, right? Uh, there's some obvious things that you might think of using AI for, like cheating, but cheating of any kind is destructive, right? So we want to think of ways to use it constructively in a productive way. So we're going to look at using AI for fun and inspiration. The first one we're going to look at is a website called Stable Diffusion. And so what this does is it lets you choose from some prompts or create your own prompt and create original images, right? So for example, you can type in a topic like spaceship and it'll show you all the different prompts that people have entered that include something to do with spaceships and the original images that were created. Or you can type in your own very specific, very random prompt. So I tried to think of the most random thing I could think of at the moment, and that was a goat riding a watermelon floating down the Mississippi River. So I entered that. You can play with some of the adjustments there. And this is what it turned out. One is a photographic version, and one is a comic version because those are the options I gave it. And as you can see, these are not from the internet. These are originally created images. So what you can do is, maybe come up with your prompt, do the drawing or make the painting or the illustration on your own, then compare it to the robot, or use these styles for inspiration on how to create those styles in your own artwork. All right, and that's stablediffusionweb.com, or you could scan that QR code and it'll take you there. All right. Next is animated drawings made by Meta Demo Labs. And the idea here is that you can make a drawing yourself and then animate it. So you can take a picture of it and upload it to this website. It'll make a moving version of your sketch, and you can have it do different things like walking or dancing like that, right? And again, that is found at sketch.metademolab.com, or you could scan that QR code. If writing is more of your thing, you could go to a website called po.com that has a collection of a bunch of pre-programmed robots that you can talk with, right? So you can have a conversation with a fictional or historical character, and if it's not there, you can create that bot to have conversations with. So, like I could complain to William Shakespeare why, I don't like his play or why I love his plays. Or you can find the Roast Master is one of my favorites. It acts like any chatbot, but when it answers your question, it insults you. So no matter what you ask it, it's gonna roast you, which is kind of fun. All right, again, that's an easy one. It's po.com. Or if you don't feel like creating your own, you can go onto the App Store on your phone and search Hello History, and you'll find this app here where you can have a conversation with historical figures, even real ones and made up ones and myth ones, right? So, some of the options here are, like someone from John Calvin to Tupac to a caveman, or Johnny Versace or Odin, right? And have a conversation with one of these people, not the actual people, but a robot that's programmed to be like that person based on data, right? So there's that. Again, that is Hello History. It's an app. You can find that on the App Store of your device. If music is more your thing, then you gotta try the Freddie meter. All right. So you go to the Freddie meter, you click Let's Do It, and you choose a song that is sung by Freddie Mercury, right? And then it's sort of karaoke style. You go in and you click Start Singing, and you follow the lyrics, and then it gives you a rating based on pitch, melody, and timbre on how accurately like Freddie Mercury, You Can Sing. That one, by the way, is not mine. I think I scored like 8% highest, so I just got that from somebody else. Again, that is the Freddie meter at freddiemeter.withyoutube.com. Or you can scan that QR code and get to that. And if creating music is your thing, then you can write melodies with the accompaniment of either Bach, Mozart, or Beethoven, right? And so the way this works, you can create a harmony on the notes there, and then either Bach, Mozart, or Beethoven will accompany it, create a melody for your harmony. And so it's like writing music with one of the greats. Yeah. So I hope you found one tool that you'd like to use for inspiration for your artistic endeavors. Good luck.